In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for smarter web searches and fact-checking, featuring a particularly helpful tool that might just revolutionize the way you gather information online. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. It's a platform we all know and likely use on a day-to-day basis, serving as our gateway to finding just about everything we need, from academic resources to entertainment news. Once you're on Google, type Perplexity into the search bar. This single word will be your key to unlocking the intelligent search power of Perplexity AI. When you've entered the search term, hit Enter. The search results should list Perplexity AI prominently. Click on the link to navigate to Perplexity's website. Perplexity AI is a unique tool designed to enhance your online search and fact-checking processes by offering more structured and reliable responses compared to typical search engines. It's particularly known for synthesizing information from a variety of credible sources, providing you with a concise yet comprehensive view on complex topics. With Perplexity open, think about a broad question you might want answers to. Let's use, "Why are so many people moving to Texas?" as our example. This vague question will allow us to see how Perplexity performs by interpreting broad demographic trends and automatically pulling verified statistics from multiple sources. As you type in your question, you will notice Perplexity summarizing top reasons like job opportunities, taxes, housing affordability, and changes in lifestyle, all supported by clear citations. Before hitting the Submit button, there's an important step that can significantly enhance your search. Click on the Deep Search icon. This feature goes beyond surface-level details, enabling Perplexity to do a deeper dive into various data points and provide you with an even richer array of information, allowing you to fact-check your question with more granularity and accuracy. After enabling the Deep Search function, go ahead and click Submit. You'll find that Perplexity AI quickly compiles a list of compelling reasons, along with data points and analyses that help paint a full picture of your query. Each piece of information is not only detailed, but also linked to its source, making it incredibly easy to fact-check and explore in greater depth if you so choose. By using these tools and tips, you've taken a significant step towards making your web searches not only faster, but also immensely smarter and more reliable. Perplexity AI isn't just about finding answers. It's about finding the right answers, backed by credible evidence, clear insights. By mastering this platform, you're better equipped in today's digital age to navigate vast amounts of information with precision and confidence. Happy searching!